Hey Landbotters, welcome to February's product updates. I'm Nick, and this month we've been working on some improvements and changes to the app. So let's get into it. First update, hidden field improvements. Our team has been looking for ways to improve the hidden fields that you can use in your chatbots. So now, when you get inside the hidden field section of your bot, you'll be greeted with a role menu with two options, depending on how you will share your bot, with a link or embedded into your website. When selecting embed, the section down below changes, with now the option to set field values as URL parameters. Next update, near store locator use case. We've uploaded a detailed article in our documentation at help@landbot.io on how to build this flow in your WhatsApp and webbots. In it, you'll learn to build a store locator in your chatbot with a step-by-step guide of the process. We also created a ready-to-use brick inside the builder to make it easier for you to build. So go check it out. I'll leave links to those articles down in the description. Cool, next update. With the purpose adapting the builder to WhatsApp and other channels, we've made some changes to the multi-channel bots. These changes apply to WhatsApp, but also to Facebook and API chatbots. We have removed some settings from blogs like buttons, text questions, or the goodbye block that only were used in web chatbots. So that's it. Remember to join our community if you haven't. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.